Is it a bad time to buy a house right now? Not if you talk to real estate investors. Investors, big and small, institutional and individual, continue to buy houses as more and more questions arise about what's going on in the market. Real estate investors continue to buy properties right now, even with all the question marks about the economy. Why is that? They know that over time, real estate values will always go up. There's never been a 10-year period in which real estate market values went down. In fact, if you bought a home in many markets across America in 2008, which may be the worst time ever to buy a home because the market was just about to crash, that value of that home you bought in 2008 could have doubled or even tripled at this point. So, these investors know what they're doing, and they know that if you hold a property over time, you are going to benefit. The only circumstance under which I might say it's a bad idea to buy right now would be if you knew that you needed to sell the home in 2 or 3 years. At that point, we're not sure how much appreciation you're going to have, if any. Now, even in that circumstance, you might have the opportunity to rent the home out for a longer term as your asset continues to build value and turn it into an investment property. Be able to leverage that and have it be something that builds your wealth over time. Every real estate market is going to have its peaks and valleys. And over the next 12 months, we really don't know what's going to happen. But over the next 10 years, real estate remains a really good investment.